Just like any other game, money also has its rules. And if you master these rules, you will become a millionaire soon. We will tell you the 11 rules of money that will actually make you a millionaire. Now, let's start. Number 1. Generate greater income than expenditures. Irrespective of income level, the absence of savings precludes the accumulation of significant wealth. The significance lies not in the amount earned, but in the amount retained. Individuals earning millions of dollars annually often assert that they are living paycheck to paycheck. Prioritize personal savings to secure future financial stability. In many cases, increasing income is more feasible than achieving wealth through strict frugality. Number 2. Minimize exposure to adverse debt. Initially, a modest level of credit card debt may appear inconsequential. Nevertheless, elevated interest rates can lead to a significant escalation of credit card debt, particularly if one is incurring this debt while maintaining full employment. Continuing to carry credit card debt results in an increasing portion of income being allocated to interest payments, which is neither beneficial nor desirable. Please subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers target. Also press the like button. Number 3. Exhibit greed in times of widespread fear, and adopt a fearful stance when there is prevalent greed. This rule may be unfamiliar to you as it is one of the most confidential among millionaires. The affluent experienced an increase in wealth during both the financial crisis and the 2020 pandemic. Individuals who confronted their fears and persisted in investing during what was anticipated to be a unique opportunity in the stock market have reaped significant rewards. The stock market has significantly increased since the nadir of the Great Recession. Individuals who exited the stock market or did not possess any stocks from the outset will not experience an increase in their net worth due to the significant rise in stock market valuations. Investing during favorable market conditions can yield profits. However, greater returns are often realized when investments are made during periods of market fear. Number 4. Focus on accumulating wealth rather than merely projecting an image of affluence. Acquire wealth. Do not merely present an appearance of wealth. Individuals residing in opulent residences, operating G-Wagons, and engaging in frequent luxury vacations may lead one to presume their affluence. If the house is rented, the car is leased, and the vacation expenses are charged to a credit card, one is merely feigning wealth. Individuals in such scenarios may be positioning themselves to become overwhelmed by the expenses associated with their lifestyles, regardless of their income levels. Indeed, none of these factors will contribute to achieving millionaire status. Number 5. Implement strategies to enhance health span and prepare for longevity. With sufficient time and prudent financial decisions, it is feasible for individuals to attain millionaire status. The challenge may lie in the sustained accumulation of wealth over time. Allocating time and resources to enhance your health span, defined as the duration of time spent in good health rather than mere existence, will enable you to work for extended periods, or with greater efficiency, thereby facilitating your pursuit of becoming a millionaire. Enhancing one's health span contributes to a greater enjoyment of the available time. It has the potential to reduce medical care expenses as one ages. Number 6. Mitigating risk may ultimately represent the most perilous approach available. Significant rewards are attained by individuals who engage in calculated risk-taking. One need not engage in excessively risky behavior, however. It is essential to invest both personal effort and financial resources. Storing money under a mattress results in a daily loss of value due to inflationary pressures. Although it may appear daunting, accumulating wealth over time necessitates the acceptance of certain financial risks. This will likely involve investments in assets subject to value fluctuations. This may pertain to equities or fixed income securities. It may also pertain to real estate or business enterprises. It may also involve dedicating time and financial resources to obtaining a college degree. At the age of 22, if one were to deposit $1,000 monthly into a bank account, the total accumulated amount by age 70 would be approximately $965,000. This assumes a 2% annual interest rate while disregarding taxes on the interest for the sake of simplicity. This may appear favorable, as you remain close to the status of a millionaire. If one were to invest an equivalent sum and achieve returns below the market average, the resultant capital would still be significantly greater. With an assumed rate of return of 10%, net of fees and taxes, The projected amount at age 70 could be approximately $14,170,000. While the journey to becoming a multimillionaire may present challenges, historical data indicates that stocks have significantly outperformed bank accounts over time. Number 7. Obtain optimal financial guidance. The internet contains a plethora of financial guidance. Certain aspects will be applicable to you, while others will not. Some advice may be valid financial guidance, while other suggestions could lead to involvement in fraudulent schemes or legal issues with the IRS. If you prefer not to dedicate time and effort to personal investment, it is advisable to engage a financial advisor who consistently operates as a fiduciary. This indicates that they must prioritize your interests over their own. Seek an individual who holds certification as a financial planner and operates independently, without affiliation to a specific company or promotion of particular products. Friends and family can serve as valuable resources in identifying a qualified financial advisor. Exercise caution when considering advice from individuals who merely project an image of wealth. One has a singular opportunity for existence, and it is advisable to engage in self-care. This is favorable. This spending approach may result in financial insolvency. Number 8. Automate your savings. Identify methods for establishing a system that requires minimal ongoing management. Automate monthly contributions to your investment accounts. Contribute to your retirement account directly from your salary. Minimizing interference with the process increases the likelihood of sustained savings. Number 9. Monetary value is intrinsically linked to temporal value. It is widely recognized that time equates to financial value. As a proponent of financial independence, I recognize that money equates to time. Increased financial resources enable the allocation of additional time for personal pursuits. One may hire a cleaning service if one prefers not to engage in cleaning activities. Are you experiencing fatigue or a lack of time to prepare a nutritious meal? Consider utilizing a meal delivery service or hiring a private chef for a more upscale dining experience. For those who find financial matters unappealing, collaborating with a skilled financial planner is advisable. Desire to improve physical fitness more efficiently? Engage the services of a private trainer. The trainer is enabled to perform the physical exercise or perspiration on your behalf. In these circumstances, possessing financial resources enables individuals to allocate time to engage in activities they may find more enjoyable. Number 10. Utilize the benefits of compound interest. Establishing financial stability at an early stage facilitates greater wealth accumulation. According to Tip 7, saving $1,000 monthly from the age of 20 to 70 could yield approximately $14 million, assuming a 10% rate of return after accounting for taxes and fees. If savings commence at age 30, the total amount decreases to approximately $5.1 million. The reduction of 8 years in the compounding interest period results in a decrease of nearly 2/3 in net worth. A net worth of $5.1 million is likely to position many individuals near the attainment of financial freedom. Number 11. Develop a strategy to reduce tax liabilities both currently and during retirement. Reducing tax liabilities during the wealth accumulation phase facilitates the allocation of additional time, financial resources, and effort towards achieving millionaire status. Similarly, implementing a strategy to reduce taxes during retirement can prolong wealth accumulation or, at a minimum, mitigate the risk of depleting financial resources in retirement. It is feasible for individuals to attain millionaire status through appropriate financial guidance and sufficient time investment. Many individuals opt for a lavish lifestyle, often exceeding their financial means, resulting in minimal, if any, wealth accumulation. The decision rests with you. Will you pursue financial independence and optimize your quality of life? Or will you remain trapped in a cycle of consumption, continuously expending resources until exhaustion? The decision is yours to make. Now, please hit the subscribe button and also the like button if you loved watching this video. Thanks for watching this video till here.